Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Hummer H2. It's a year model 2008. The problem I have at this moment, I cannot open my trunk with the remote key or with the handle. It's just died on me. It does not open. If you are stuck like me in this situation, how are you going to open the trunk? There is no easy way to open it, but there is a way you can open it, and that I'm going to share with you. And this procedure will work with all the Hummers, H1, H2, H3, and GM models. Without wasting any time, let's get started. And if you found this video to be helpful, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please click on the bell notification to see more Hummer videos. If you cannot open the trunk, your key fob function is working, locking, unlocking, but you don't hear the click because actuator is not working and you're stuck. You can't open it. I thought my actuator was bad, but after opening and checking, I found it was very easy and simple fix. What I have done it, that I'm going to share with you. Right now, I already have fixed it. What I did it, this is the panel. I opened it from here. The way it works, you take out your third row seat so you have a room you can sit down. Once you get inside the Hummer, the first step will be to open this screw, long screw. It's a 7mm, and you open it, and then if you see, there is a cutout, a small cut here and small cut on this side. You put a screwdriver, you just pull it and then pull the handle, and this will pops out. So once this one is out, put your fingers here in the middle, then you pry this one out. All the clips out here, it opens up. But the problem is the door is shut, you cannot open it. It won't go in the front. So once you open all the clips all the way through, it's a good idea get a help from a second person, because when you're going to pry one side, you can break the panel right in the middle or any place. So if you have two people, then one person can pull it, the other person can keep pulling from this side. If we look at the top here, it's going to be really flush to this one, so it's not going to come out. So what you basically do, this is since it's flexible, you just try to squeeze it in. This is going to be get pulled in. Then you pull, you open it like this, and once you open it, then you put your hand in here, and now you're gonna go on top. This is the trunk actuator. I thought initially it was bad, but it wasn't. So what it happens when we open from the top, if you see this one, the lever move, the mechanism, and when you put your hand inside, you pull this one and pull this one, and then you open it. What happened that you see this mechanism? If I open it, if you see, this one pulls back all the way. If I close it, it pulls in. What happened? This piece was slided out. This wasn't clicking in and out. That causing my trunk door to be shut and you cannot open it. So once I manually open, then I able to see this was easy fix. And now if you see, it's working. So that's how it's easy. I fixed my door actuator, and this video will help you out in case if you get stuck, your trunk is not opening up, you can open it manually. And now I'm going to put the panel back in a reverse order. If you like this video, give a video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you haven't subscribed it, please click on the bell notification for more Hummer videos. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.